Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. So for me, it's right here in the corner, screen recorder. Once you find it, you can either hold it, and this will take you to the settings of a screen recorder, where you can customize it if it's not up to your standards. So as you can see, we have things like sound, so it's set to media sounds only, which is whatever the phone will be making. You can change it to microphone as well if you want to, or no sound, or it's actually both media and mic, media or no sound. Kind of weird, but it is what it is. It's Samsung, so I'm already used to it, to be honest. Then we have video quality. I would recommend you to keep it at 1080p. This will give you the best visual fidelity of your recording. And then below that we have this little image which signifies how big will the front-facing camera little view will be. So this is a real-time size. This is how big it's going to be on screen when it's actually recording. Now you can customize the size, but you don't have to actually use this feature. You can toggle it on and off to use the front-facing camera whenever you want to. We have also option to show taps and the touches on the screen, which will be shown as a semi-transparent gray dot. If you don't want this, keep it off. If you do want this to be visible on the recording, you want to toggle it on. And we have also a couple of things right here. So we have hide status and notification bars. We have delete shared screenshots, and we have also a screenshot format. So this is just for screenshots itself. So anyway, once you went through the settings right here, you can leave this area, find the toggle once again, tap on it. Here you can again select which kind of sounds you want to record. Select start recording. It gives you a countdown and starts recording. So going to the, like I mentioned, the front-facing camera, you can tap on it right here. And there we go. It includes the camera. You can see my hand right now. You can toggle it off whenever you want to. You can also tap the pencil, start drawing on the screen, which will be visible obviously on the recording. Toggle it off. You can pause the video from here, which will allow you to open up any kind of app. Maybe you want to pause it and then, as an example, log into some kind of application where you need to provide your password. You could pause it, put in your password, and then once you have done so, you can resume the recording, which will just continue recording as nothing ever happened. And obviously the square will stop the recording, which will save it automatically to your gallery application. You can see it right over here. So it's already playing. I'm gonna let it play through. So anyway, this is how you would record your screen on this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.